Hello students, welcome back. In this session we are going to discuss the orthographic projections of plane inclined to both planes. I am considering a question from 10b exercise, problem number 10.36. Let me read out the question. A pentagonal lamina of side 30 mm is resting on a side in HP. Means it is a side resting, edge resting on the HP. So which is parallel to 25 mm in front of VP. The lamina is tilted such that its highest corner would be coming on VP. Draw the projections of the lamina. Let me consider this as a pentagonal polygon, pentagon, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of side 30. And I can get some value from this to this end. So according to this question, this plane is this one of the edge, bottom edge is parallel to HP, means parallel to HP and on HP, right, like this, and its top corner is in VP. So the distance of this bottom edge from the VP is 25 mm and this corner is resting on the VP. Okay, this is the edge, this is the corner. So for this condition I have to draw the orthographic projections of this plane. So looking from side I can get a line of full height. So I'll be taking the profile plane method for this problem. Let me write down the question. Given data over here, already I have written here the same question here. Now I'll start the solutions of this question. Directly I can't get this height or this distance, so let me draw the projections of this one first here. This is edge resting like this, so I can be getting the top view, true top view, and the front view of this one. Then I'll go for profile plane method. The side is 30 mm. 30 mm. I'll be drawing a perpendicular line, reference line from here, so I can locate the distance. This is A, B. Right. We have a method that height of this one would be 1.54 into side. That is 1.54 into 30. I'll be getting some value for this. So 1.54 into 30, that is 46.2. So I'll be locating another end point, 46.2. This is D. Now let me take the compass, measure AB and arc. A, B, C, D, E. Let me draw the front view of this one, falling over here because it is an edge resting figure. Right. So this is B dash, A dash, C dash, E dash, and this point would be D dash. Now let me start this side view. So we got this length. This is 46.2 mm, right? This is x1 and y1. This is side view, this is front view, this is top view, and this is only the apparent view for our reference of this problem. So coming to the problem, the edge AB is on HP, right, and it is in front of VP and parallel. In front 20 mm and it is parallel. So I'll be taking from here distance 25, and I'll be drawing this A dash and A and B over here. So let me take this A double dash, B double dash over here, and the highest corner is D, right? For this one it is the highest corner D. Now this D is on VP. So let me measure this one. So I have measured this, and keeping on to this one, I'll draw an arc on the VP. Now this becomes side view of our pentagonal lamina. This is D double dash, and where I can locate this. So you got a line. So from this, measure this distance, and from here mark it. So this will become E double dash, C double dash. Okay, E double dash, C double dash. Next, draw the projectors from that point and draw the horizontal projectors for the front view, and I'll tilt the drafter to the 45 degrees so I can get the top view projectors also. This distance is 25, so this distance also becomes 25, and D is on VP, so the side view and the front view falls onto the reference line. See here, this distance is 25 and this distance is also 25. This is VP, this is HP. So it is parallel and 25 in front. See, the condition is already satisfied here, right? This is 25 mm. Okay. Now when you are looking the pentagon from top, you can see the full line length, right? AB is full. So I'll be taking AB over here. I'll mark midpoint of this one. So here D would be coming. So this is A, this is B, and this would become D, and this would become D dash, and when I project this up, this would become A dash, and this would become B dash. Now rest of things is EC. Where to locate it? When you are looking from top, this distance won't change, means AB distance won't change and EC distance also won't change. Even though it is like this or like this or like this or like this, it won't change. So I'll measure this, and I'll keep it here. I'll draw arc. Now this is E, this is C, A, B, C, D, E. Let me finish the figure. Okay, this is final top view, and the side is 30 and it is 25 in front. So this condition is satisfied. This 30 mm is resting on HP and parallel and in front 25 mm. See here, parallel to VP and 25 mm in front of VP. So this AB is satisfied, and the corner is in VP, so D is in VP, so that view directly falls onto the reference line, and simply I can project it up. This would become E dash, this would become C dash. So AB is on HP, so the front view of AB line falls on reference line. Okay, this is final front view and this is final side view, and this is final left side view. Looking from left falls on right. So in this way we can solve this problem from profile plane or side view method. I hope everyone understand how to draw this one in this way. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe the channel, follow it regularly for updates in engineering drawing. Thank you.